doubt it, but got my little pink power worm deal on here. Just fed my mosquito hook through there. That was a terrible cast. Oh man, I had one. That was weird. Screwed that one up. Lower light conditions, the trout will feed a little better. Whoa, that was a hit. Missed him. Tell with all the foot traffic here, this area's been fished a lot. I can see a trout right there. Got him. Real little guy. Now wet our hands. Oh, this is a beautiful little brown. Look at the colors on this guy. That's a beautiful fish. He's unhooked. Beautiful little stalker. Beautiful little brown. There he goes. See if we can get another one, guys. That's not a brown. That is our friend, the red breast sunfish. This guy's always showing up to the party, uninvited. Oh, dang. Hold up, bud. Oh man, come on. Make me look bad. Get in there. Yeah, those guys always show up to the party uninvited. Oh, that's a bite. I think he might have dropped it though. Oh, still has it. Very lethargic bite. Now he wants to fight. This one is actually a rainbow. It's a nice rainbow too. This one's gonna be dinner, guys. Swallowed it deep. So when I brought it up over that log there, I noticed 2 trout chased it out. Just try to float it down there a little more. See if one of them will take it. Yep, we did. It's like a little... This one's a rainbow. A little rainbow. Took my bait. It was red on the lip. Get him unhooked. Oh, and there he goes. Oh well.
What's up YouTube, Eastern PA Fishing, Eastern PA Chef, back here in the kitchen. And today we're going to be cooking ourselves another little stock trout. This one's a rainbow. We're going to soak them in some eggs for a little bit. And then we're going to put some nature seasoning in them here. Fry them right up here in a hot skillet. And it should be delicious. Eastern PA Chef, you know what it is by now. Let's get right to the cooking. Okay, we're going to start it off by bashing up our egg a little bit.
I already have some butter in the skillet heating up, so it should be nice and hot when our fish is ready to go. Some people you like to use egg whites for this, but I'm cheap, so I'm just using the whole egg. Doesn't really make much of a difference. It's not going to taste any different or do anything extra exciting if you take out the yolks. I'm just blending it in, and we're going to dunk our fish. Just like so, both sides, nice and covered. This will just get out some of the fishy flavor and, you know, the taste of the water. A lot of people don't like fish, me particularly, because they usually taste like the water they come out of. But putting them in egg whites, letting them sit there for a little bit, is one way of getting them a little less fishy tasting. So our seasoning today is going to be Nature's Seasoning by Morton. Nice seasoning blend, got some onions, some garlic, salt, pepper, whatever up in there. Just going to put some on top, I'm going to flip it and put a whole bunch on the inside. Let's get our fish in the pan. Right down in the butter. Give her some heat. Let her cook. As you can see, it's already starting to turn white on the sides. Lift it up and show you a little bit. But one thing about when you catch your own fish and you cook it and you go to eat it, you want to make sure that it is fully cooked. There's a lot of hard metals in the water around here in Pennsylvania. I don't know where you live, there may or may not be. But the longer the fish is in the water, the more metals that it has in its system. So you want to look out for like really old fish. You want to usually eat young fish, and when it comes to trout, you want to catch and eat them as soon as possible. So I'm just cooking this on a medium heat. It's not too hot, it's not too low. Making sure it cooks all the way through. We're gonna let it sit on this side for about another minute longer, and then we're gonna give it a flip. Now, as you can see, this meat is falling right off the bone, nice and cooked. Brown the underside a little bit, and we're gonna eat. Guys, so we cooked our trout. It is looking and smelling delicious. Not a big fan of eating fish, guys, but these stock trout are pretty good. Tastes a little bit like creek water. They're still not too bad. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here and finish this trout. It's actually pretty dang good. Anyway, you know what it is by now. Eastern PA chef, Eastern PA fishing. Keep on catching, keep on cooking.